Okay, so we're asked to find the coefficient a in the x to the third, y to the fifth expansion of the binomial. Okay, so you got to remember how the binomial theorem works, right? We first noticed that we have an exponent to the eighth power. So the very first term that we're going to have, a sub 1, is going to be 8 choose 0. And then we're going to have 2x all to the eighth power. And then we're going to have a y to the 0th power. Okay? So a couple of things that I've always taught is that these two exponents have to add up to the 8 right there. And then this exponent always matches the one down below, and this one is always one number smaller than that one. Okay? So let's do one more and make sure we get it. Okay? So the second term then, a sub 2, is going to be, since we have an exponent of 8, 8, choose 1, and then all 2x to the 7th power, y to the first power. Okay? So 7 and 1 add to 8, and then a 1 down here matches up, and then this is always 1 less than that. Okay, so let's take a look. The clue is right in here, right? So what we want to do, the one that we're going to build, and I'll do this in blue for you so you can see. Okay, the term that we're going to build is going to be, well, it's going to be 8 choose something, I'm not sure what. But I know that on the x term, okay, I'm going to have 2x all to the third power and a y to the fifth power. So 3 and 5 add to 8, so therefore this must be a 5 down here. So we must be looking for the sixth term, because it's always one less, okay? So then all we have to do is figure out, well, what's 2x to the third? Well, that's this is going to be 8. That's an 8, choose 5, all right? 2x all to the third power is 8x cubed, right? And then y to the fifth. Okay, so then all we do is figure out what is 8 choose 5, and use a calculator for that, or Pascal's triangle, whichever one you want to use. So we're going to go 8 math over, and then notice number 3 there, and then we're going to choose 5, and that's going to be 56, okay? So this is going to be 56 times 8x to the third times y to the fifth. So I have to multiply 8 and 56. And I'll go 8 times 56, and I'm getting an answer of 448. So I get 448 x to the third, y to the fifth, and the question is asking me for the coefficient of a of the x to the third, y to the fifth term, so the answer would be 448.